let's bring on board Swati Hotkar, who is joining in with us from Nirmal Securities to talk to us about the markets as well. Swati, very good afternoon to you. And right now, we just spoke to the management of Raymond's, and you look at it, they are sounding quite positive in terms of the growth that they are expecting to see as well. You have brokerage notes that have given Raymond's a thumbs up as well as of now. How are the charts looking like for Raymond's? If you could start with that one today.
The chart is definitely looking very attractive on the technical front. I believe the stock is just trading near all-time high levels, 20 to 40 levels we have seen. Now more upside can be seen into this particular counter, which might take a stocks towards to 2300 level as well, because all the important technical parameters are really doing very well. The chart is well placed above the important moving averages, and also the interesting fact, if we look towards the monthly chart, also it is trading in the upward rising channel, which gives more potential on the upside, at least minimum towards to 2300 level will be the first target, whereas on the downside has the immediate support levels at 2100 level. So those who are having any long position and looking for a short term perspective, at least one should book their partial profit, and second partial you can hold on with the trading stop loss of 2100 for immediate target of 2300 and 2350 levels.
Swati, what are you making of the mid cap IT, the rally which is happening out there, be build loss of emphasis? Do you see more upside over here? Is the worst getting priced in already?
See, yes, definitely. IT packs have really doing very well. If you look towards the Birla's of chart or else the emphasis, this particular counters are really doing very well from the last few trading sessions. But more potential is there definitely on this particular stocks. If we look towards the emphasis chart, as of now it is trading at 25-45 levels. I believe that the strength is, as of now, we are getting a strength in this particular counter at 2600, 2700. I am looking for a target on the higher side. So one should hold the long positions. And looking towards the BS of the stock has given almost a very good rally. At least one should partial their profits at the current market price, because the stock is hovering near its overbought zone. So we might witness some sort of a profit booking in this particular stock. So one should book their half profit at 530 levels. And second half you can hold on by maintaining a trailing stop loss of 500 rupees on the downside. If the stock surpasses again 535, 540 levels, 570 to 600 levels can be seen on the high side.
So Swati, just switching gears a bit to the QSR space, whether you look at a Devyani International that has been buzzing into it today, also seeing an uptick, something like a Jubilant Food also seeing a nice up move as well. What is your view on the charts for both these ones? How are they looking like?
See, Devyani International is definitely doing very well. If you look towards the weekly chart, the stock has given the consolidation breakout of the last at least 4 to 5 months consolidation breakout. We have seen that the consolidation within the band of 200 to 180 levels, that is a 20 points consolidation breakout today it has given with the very good volumes. I believe the fresh breakout has been seen today in this particular stocks. Upside 300, 340 levels can be seen. Even we have recommended this particular counter to our clients. So one should hold their long positions. The immediate target will be a 240, and beyond that 300 levels can be seen. And if you're getting any dips towards 200 or say the 205 levels, one should can take a fresh position on every dips towards the Devyani. And looking towards the Jubilant Food, this particular counter is also really doing very well. On an intraday basis is 5.5% on upside. Today we have seen a very good price momentum along with the volumes. The technical setup is really doing very good. I believe it has a strength up to 550, 570 levels can be seen on the high side. So one can hold the long position in both the counters.
Very interesting. Devyani and Jubilant both are rocking. Varun Beverage, I wonder what is Varun Beverage doing, because whenever you order a pizza or a burger, you actually order a bottle of Coke as well.
Absolutely, there's always a bottle of Coke. That just is a merger. It's like a wedding that has happened and it's there. It's
yes,
not going to break.
That's correct. But it is not actually participating, not the same way, just 1.25%. But some of the PSU banks, Swati, I want to understand BOB, Can Bank, anything you like there, because BOB, Can Bank are in the green. Overall banking is under pressure, but select PSU banks are doing well. Is it time to go long there or no? You'll avoid banks.
Yeah, I will suggest, if you ask me to select the one bank from the BOB and the Can Bank, I will go with the Can Bank, because on the technical front, the stock is just forming a symmetrical triangle formation. It's on the verge of giving the breakout. We are preempting the breakout at 340 levels. If it manages to surpass that level, then definitely a positive momentum can be seen in this particular bank, which might take a stocks towards to 350 to 360 levels. So it will be a slow and steady performance can be seen into this particular stock, but one can take definitely a long-term position at the current market price as well for immediate target of 360 to 380 levels, whereas the downside the support is less at 320.
Uh, Swati, just one last thing in terms of your view overall on the metal, Nifty metal or something, or any of these steel names. Is that something that is still looking attractive, or what is your view here?
Metal pack, yes, definitely this particular sector has been performed very well in the last few trading sessions. But if you look to the current market price, I will suggest to stay away from this particular counters because we might going to witness some sort of a profit. If you look towards the Tata Steel chart also, one side the rally has been given from 100 levels to at least 132, and those stocks are really performing, has been really doing very well, but slowly and steadily momentum has been seen. I will suggest to book the profits in the metal packs because those are trading in the overbought zone. So the profit booking can be seen in the near term. So I will suggest to book the profits but not to create a long position at the current market price.
Okay, Swati, thank you so much for joining in with us this afternoon on Markets at Noon and giving us your views on the markets as well as individual stock names as well.